Hey guys, Bob here, aka Mr. Reef Safe, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of the ClearView custom lid. So the lid comes with a set of instructions taped on it, and it tells me to try it out on my tank before I peel anything off of it. So that's what I'm going to do now. All right, it looks like everything fits, so what I'm gonna do is take it off again, pull off the plastic, and then put it on permanently. What I like about this is it's the feeding door up front, and then for the water box, it has a cutout here so that you can still get to your water box overflow. So it's on the ClearView custom lid, and it fits like a glove. They did a great job. I had to give them my measurements. It took about 3 months, a little bit less, and I got it, and I'm so happy with it. This is the third one I've had, and there's a reason I keep going back for them.